Mahua Moitra, recently expelled from Lok Sabha, has been nominated as the Trinamool Congress candidate for Krishnanagar. This announcement was made by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee on March 10th, unveiling the party's candidates for the impending Lok Sabha elections. Moitra won the Krishnanagar seat in the 2019 elections but was disqualified from the 17th Lok Sabha due to her alleged involvement in a cash for query scam.
सांसद श्रीमती महुआ मोइत्रा का आचरण अनैतिक और संसद सदस्य के रूप में अशोभनीय है और इस कारण उनको लोकसभा सदस्य बने रहना उपयुक्त नहीं होगा। जो सदस्य इस प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में हाँ गए हैं, जो विरोध में ना गए, मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हुआ।
Now she is set to contest for re-election from the same constituency. Moitra has served as the General Secretary and National Spokesperson of the AITC for the past few years. Moitra was born to Bhupendra Lal Moitra on 12 October 1974 in Labak in the Chhachar district of Assam. She hails from Bengali Hindu Brahmin family and has a sister. Moitra went to Gokhale Memorial Girls' School in Kolkata. She graduated in Economics and Mathematics in 1998 from Mount Holyoke College, South Hadley in Massachusetts, US. Moitra worked as an investment banker for JP Morgan Chase in New York City and London. Moitra's academic pursuits provided her with a global perspective and a deep understanding of socio-political dynamics. Armed with knowledge and a fervent desire to effect positive change, she returned to India ready to embark on a transformative journey in the realm of politics. Mahua Moitra's political journey is marked by a series of pivotal transitions and impactful roles within the Indian political landscape. Initially, she found a footing within the Indian Youth Congress, the vibrant youth wing of the Indian National Congress Party. During her tenure, she emerged as a trusted ally of Rahul Gandhi, actively contributing to the visionary project Aam Aadmi Ka Sipahi. In 2020, Moitra took a significant leap forward by joining the All India Trinamool Congress Party under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. This move underscored her commitment to dynamic political ideologies and her readiness to embrace new challenges. Her electoral triumph in the Karimpur constituency of Nadia district, West Bengal, during the Legislative Assembly elections of 2016 solidified her standing as a formidable political force in the region. Serving as a representative of the people, she tirelessly championed their causes and aspirations, earning their trust and admiration. Moitra's ascent to the national stage came with her election to the 17th Lok Sabha from Krishnanagar, West Bengal. As a Member of Parliament, she brought her distinctive voice and unwavering resolve to the hallowed halls of Parliament, advocating for progressive policies and amplifying the concerns of her constituents. In a testament to her leadership acumen and strategic prowess, Moitra was entrusted with the crucial responsibility of steering the Trinamool Congress's campaign in Goa for the upcoming 2022 Legislative Assembly elections. Her appointment as the party's Goa in charge on November 13, 2021 underscores her pivotal role in shaping the party's electoral strategy and mobilizing support on the ground. 2010. Mahua Moitra joined TMC in 2010. 28th May 2016 to 23rd May 2019. She contested and won the assembly election in Karimpur, where she defeated Kalyan Chaubey from the BJP by a margin of 16,000 votes. 23rd May 2019. Mahua Moitra was elected as a Member of Parliament from Krishnanagar constituency, West Bengal. Throughout her political journey, Mahua Moitra has exemplified resilience, integrity and a steadfast commitment to the principles of democracy and social justice. Her trajectory serves as an inspiration to aspiring leaders and underscores the transformative potential of principled leadership in shaping the course of nations. The decision by the Trinamool Congress to field Mahua Moitra from Bengal's Krishnanagar constituency serves as a resounding rebuke to critics who had prematurely predicted the demise of her political career following the controversy surrounding the alleged cash for questions issue.